So this is the placeholder website, just a static website, and here we have the chatbot icon which we have embedded. If we click on it, close the sidebar and ask, I am Sri, please give me all my bookings. See, hotel booking, airport pickup, restaurant reservations. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Hi, welcome to the series of videos on AI chatbots. Last time we saw how we can add tools to an agentic chatbot. So we added 3 tools, one for airport pickup, one for restaurant table booking, and one for hotel room booking. But there was a problem. The agent did not have memory. So it did not have any information about our previous requests, like the name of the user or the bookings made by the user. In this video, we're going to add agentic memory and storage to the chatbot. So that makes it very powerful so that all the entities it captured is retained and passed to the tools. So let's see the example. So this is the placeholder website, just a static website, and here we have the chatbot icon which we have embedded. If we click on it, close the sidebar and ask, I am Sri, please give me all my bookings. See, hotel booking, airport pickup, restaurant reservations. So this agent, in spite of it having 2 independent tools, is able to fetch the information. It is able to preserve the information these tools have returned so that it is able to properly respond back to us. So we will see how this is done. Okay, so let's start a fresh session and see how it works. So here I'm saying, I am Sri, I need to book a table on 4th April for 2. Okay, so it's calling the restaurant booking tool and it is giving the confirmation. Okay, so now is the interesting part. I am not giving my name. I am saying I also need an airport pickup, so flight so and so, and date and time for 2. Now here, see, it remembered the name and passed the name to the tool. Okay, one more query. I also need a deluxe room to be booked. Here also I'm not giving the name and it is passing the name correctly. Now let's ask, please give me all my booking details. It retains the session. So in production scenario, you will need to have the session management so that multiple users are handled properly. But this is the idea. This gives a clear idea on how we can use agentic memory so that the parameters are preserved and passed across these tools. Before we look at the code, we will see how you can run this. The URL to the code is given in the description. You need to git clone the URL. And after that, you will come to a folder like this, Techie Talks AI. And there you need to cd into Agno AI Chatbot 005 multi-tool memory. There, what you need to do is docker compose up -- build. Now let's look at the code. We will only go through the sections which we haven't covered in the previous video. So what you need to do is to add agent memory, and we are using SQLite. So there is no difference in the restaurant booking tool, hotel booking tool, and airport booking tool. These tools are same like the previous video. Only difference is when we create the agent, be it reasoning or not reasoning, here we need to specify the memory. memory and the storage. And you can vary these parameters based on the documentation to tailor the functioning of this memory. So that is it for this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.